What's up, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you my new map I just added. I've been adding a lot of new maps, and the map was going to call Special Home. Now this special home is created by me, and this is a big house. Look at this. You can even see plants, or you can use the booster if you want to get in here. And it's so amazing. Look, because when you wake up you can be here. And this is only one bed because I'm one. Okay. Now this is my cooking. I'm sorry because I forgot the microwave, and I don't really remember where's the microwave. Give me a few seconds. Okay, already found it. Okay, finally. Okay, I'm gonna save my game again. There we go. Now, this is my whole house. I have nothing here, but I am going to add something here. If you like and subscribe, I just want to give a big shout out to people that have been subscribed to my channel. I appreciate that. And the ones who have liked and subscribed, I am going to give them a free shout out whenever comment they want to comment. And that is my special house. If you're watching this Skyly game, you're good. You are good, okay? But you're doing well in your chicken gun videos. You are doing good in your chicken gun videos, Skyly game. You are like getting more subscribers, okay? You're so awesome. And shout out to other people that have badge hunters showing me to how to get badges. I really appreciate that because I'm not good at finding badges and stuff. Now, if you like my home, I haven't added anything in here. This is just another place, but I'm not adding nothing here. Only right in this, right, okay, I'm gonna add something here in a second video. See what I can build. I'm gonna build a animal, but I'm not gonna say. And yeah,
I live in a box.
guys, sometimes when we make videos, why in ads we just only see Kick the Buddy? Why? But leave alone that. That is not important right now. So I will see you in the next video. My chicken says, if you don't like and subscribe, if you don't like and subscribe, you will really get to die. Okay? So like and subscribe. Okay. There already did. Yay! You like to subscribe. Well, he was not just talking. It was my voice. It was just my voice. Well, that's it. Goodbye.